Welcome to another video from Serv B2b Marketplace, and on this video I'm going to show you how to sell your services online or ebooks if you have ebooks that you need to sell online, or even courses that you like to sell online. Anything that you sell online that aligns with Serv B2b Marketplace, I'm going to show you how you can sell it on this new feature that has been released on Serv for premium members. Now, first thing first, to be able to access this feature, you need to make sure that you are a premium member on Serv. Now, as a premium member, you're gonna see all these features here, and your dashboard is gonna look similar like the one that you are using for this tutorial here. Now, once you are logged in, you need to make sure that you go to website digital products to get started. Now, once you click here, as you can see here, I have nothing, zero. You need to click here to create your first digital product. Now, first thing first, you need to give your product a name. On this tutorial, we're gonna use SEO package. Maybe you can just say this is for 1 month, and you're selling this maybe for 1.5, just one. And another good thing about this feature is that you can add any call to action that you would like to add. You can, if you like, can just say learn more or buy now, or anything that you think that will be catchy to the users. For this video, you're just gonna say buy now. Now, this one here is very important. As you're creating a product, for all products, after a user has purchased your product, they need to be redirected to the home page. So you need to click here and select home page. Now remember, after you have added your product, it's gonna be reviewed by an admin, and if an admin find out that you did not select the home page, they're gonna your product is gonna remain pending until you redirect buyers to the home page. Is very important. The next important thing is to select the right confirmation email that you're gonna be using, and it's this one here, which you're gonna find under default digital downloads email. So this is gonna be like a thank you email, that is gonna be generic for all products, because service providers, they're gonna be, some might be selling in ebooks, some might be selling in online course, some might be selling in marketing sales. Another thing that you need to add is smart text. What it does, it gives users more information. Even on the website, people are gonna find the product easily. Let's just say maybe this one is for SEO, just say SEO, and you can add as many smart text as possible, as long as they are relevant to your product. Another thing that you need to do, which is very important, is to add a description, which is gonna give the users an idea of what this product is all about. If you don't have much information on your description, people are not gonna buy into it. You need to add and give information in terms of what they're gonna get after they buy or download this product that you're gonna be selling. By the way, you also have an option, if you are you want to give away an ebook, you have an option to give this away for free. Once you're done here and done also adding your description, you're just gonna say this package description just for this tutorial. Once you're done, you save. Once you're happy with everything here, you can save to go to the next step. Now the next step is where you're gonna be adding a picture or a cover photo for your product, service, or ebook that you're gonna be selling. This is important. Remember, your picture is what people see. It means it's what is gonna sell more than anything. So you need to make sure that you add the picture that also aligns with what you're gonna be selling. So you don't want to add a picture, for instance, about marketing, where else you are selling something that does not align with marketing, or maybe you are selling I don't know, some courier services or something like that. So make sure that your picture does align with what you are selling. And the good thing about this is that you can add more than one picture. In fact, I advise that you add more than one picture so that the users get an idea of what you're selling. On this tutorial, we're just gonna add one picture here that I saved for this video. Now once it's uploaded, I'm gonna click here to confirm. From then it's gonna upload and validate also the size if it's the right fit for platform. The image was uploaded successfully. From there it's taking you to where you can review your pictures, and you have an option to add more than just one picture, as I've said. And here you can give your picture a title. You can also give it a description if you like. For this video, we're just gonna continue. Another thing, you can create a new category if you want to categorize your pictures. But to make this tutorial short, you're just gonna save and continue. Now after you saved, you see that message. After you saved, you just want to make sure that you saved your product. You can see here it says 1. You can click here. Now you've added your product, but there it is pending because the admin from Serv needs to approve this. Like I said, you need to make sure that you follow all the steps to get approval. Once you added your product, an admin should be approving your product within 24 hours. And once your product is approved, you should be getting a notification. Now you might be wondering, after people they have bought into your package, how are you gonna know? You always gonna have this tab here where you can see the sales history, and you're gonna get the details of people that are buying into your product so that you can contact them and service or give them the service that you are selling. Now after you get approval, you're gonna be able to see your product on the front end. But you can even see your product before you even get approval by just clicking here on preview, just to want to see how it looks like, and maybe you want to make the changes based on how it looks like on the front end. And as you can see here, this is how our product looks like. We have the pricing here, we have the title. The users, they're gonna be able to also contact you before they can buy if they're not sure. And this is the description. These are the smart tag that we've added. And this is how your product is gonna look like at the front end. Now that's it for the video of today on how you can add or upload a detailed product on Serv B2b marketplace. If you have any questions, please make sure to let us know in the comment section. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Keep safe. Bye.